thought, since I'm sitting here all by myself, doing nothing but listening to the engine strum along while I'm making my way back up the interstate, figured I'd make a video update. So I'll try that one. This coming from somebody who typically hides his head in a box to avoid Dave from taking a bunch of excessive pictures of me. The car has been absolutely reliable, just perfect. It got hot, but traffic at this cruising thing is bumper to bumper and 95 degrees and 95% humidity, so adding those radiators to the back was a stupid move. I decided that as soon as I get home, those things are going away. I don't know what I'm going to put back there now that I don't have an intercooler. The only thing I can possibly repurpose those vents for is that are in front of the tires is maybe brake cooling. The car is still leaking oil. I mean, it's, I don't know, maybe the PCV valve is plugged up or something, but I'm sitting here watching the damn oil pressure bing bing from 60 pounds to 80 pounds to sometimes 100 pounds, depending on what my engine RPM is. And some guy that I was talking to at the show said that I was overpressurizing the oiling system, and maybe that was part of the problem. I don't know. I do know that the next purchase I make, and I will probably do that just as soon as I get home, is I'm getting rid of these scat seats. They're a back crusher. They're intended for a car that a 19-year-old kid would ride around in, not a 60-year-old crotchety. To you, Craig, had I had open road and had this had 12 pounds, I would have had to hand you back your ass, because I would have taken it all the way down the road with me. But I consider myself fortunate that you knew that cop, and that cop was a good guy, and that they were respective of the fact that the tourism that we brought to that city or that region would be thwarted if they gave us all a bunch of tickets for doing stupid crap. So I'm pretty sure it was a combination of all of the above and the fact that he knew I was beating your ass that he let us go. So that looks like everything is good to go. I've actually got an air conditioning system that's working well enough to keep me cold. I've actually got it turned up. Motor shows it's running along at 180 degrees with the AC on.